Good afternoon, children. My name is Jayashudha. I am dealing with art and craft. In this session, I will show you a beautiful sunset scenery. Shall we start the class? For this painting, I am using only three colors: black, yellow, and orange. First, we have to paste the plaster like this for borders. It is very useful for who are beginners. First, take orange color, dip the brush into orange color, and spread like this, right to left. If it is thick, you can add some water, little pinch water. Do like this. Next, take yellow color. Okay, take yellow color and spread same like as above orange color and spread it right to left. Only for here. Here again black color will come. Just add some water and do like this. Okay, next take black color and spread this last. Okay, next take outline brush. Dip this brush into water and draw tree. First draw here, middle of the piece, one V shape. Like this. Again draw. Big V shape like this. And end this V shape with straight lines. Next, here also draw again V shape, small V shape, like this. And now draw some branches with curves, like this, just curves, small curves. Now fill this with black color, fill this tree trunk, fill with, okay. Now take flat brush and dip this into black color. Just do like this. Just draw some more stems for tree. Now here I am drawing sun. Take any one cap, small cap, and draw this with pencil and fill the yellow color in this circle. Okay children, painting is completed. Now remove this. Okay, this is the painting. Okay children, I hope you like it. Thank you.